How to upload Instagram stories without losing quality. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily post Instagram story without having to lose quality on your story. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram, and once you get to your Instagram page, the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and tap on your profile section at the bottom right corner. Now from here, you just need to tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Scroll down a bit until you see this settings right here, data usage and media quality. Tap on it and make sure that this media quality upload is turned on where it says upload at highest quality. So once you do that, you should be able to post your stories in a higher quality. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will see you guys on the next one.